Hey everybody, this is Bart with Great Meals Barbecue, and tonight I'm going to be doing an andouille sausage and chicken vegetable skillet. Stay tuned. All right, here's our ingredients we're going to be using today. I've got some andouille sausage. I've got a zucchini, some orange bell peppers, a little bit of celery, some mushrooms, a large onion, and I do have a large chicken breast, but I don't have it on the board here because it's raw and I didn't want to put it on there. And we're going to be using some olive oil, and we're going to be using this Sweet Smokie Joe Creole kick on this today. And we're going to get everything cut up and we'll be back. All right, we've got our skillet heated up here, and I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of olive oil in here. I'm going to put quite a bit, 4 or 5 tablespoons here. And I'm going to go ahead and get our sausage in and get a kind of a base going here. All right, this sausage is browned up pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. And actually, I've just got another skillet sitting over here. I'm just going to take these off and put them in there so I can get the chicken in there. And I'm using tongs, so I leave all that grease and olive oil in the pan. And I may need to add a little bit as we go here. We'll see what the other stuff kind of soaks up. We may need to add a little more olive oil. But I want to keep that flavor from that andouille sausage in the pan, in the skillet. All right, we're going to go ahead and get our chicken in here. Actually, I am going to go ahead and add a little bit of this Creole kick to the chicken. And I tasted a little bit of this on my hand a while ago, and it tasted really good. I'm not going to get too carried away with it. I'm going to taste this as we go. I don't want to get too much of it in there, just in case it's got too much kick to it. I know this is a Creole Cajun seasoning, but I can tell you from the smell of this would be awesome with fajitas. I'll have to do that next with it. All right, our chicken's browned up pretty good here, so I'm going to go ahead and get it off and put it in with the sausage. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get our onions in here and let them kind of cook down just a little bit. And then next, I'm going to probably put the zucchini in there to give it a few minute head start on the other vegetables. It won't take as long. And I am going to add just a little bit more olive oil here. Get our mushrooms in there. Just going to go ahead and add everything else in now. I didn't have any green pepper. I would have used green pepper in this, but the orange pepper will work just fine. All right, our vegetables are cooked down nice. I'm going to go ahead and add our sausage and chicken back in there. son and I are the only ones eating this tonight, and we both like spicy stuff, so it should work out perfect. All right, I'm gonna give this just a couple minutes here and we'll get this plated up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste here and see what it tastes like. I can tell you it smells awesome. See if I can get a little bite of everything here. It has just the right amount of spice. It's not overbearing at all. That is really good. I can't wait to try this in a gumbo and maybe on some shrimp skewers. Really good. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.